In a groundbreaking shift in the world of artificial intelligence, Google has made a strategic leap that could change how billions of people interact with productivity software. The company recently introduced its Gemini-powered update to Google Workspace, integrating powerful AI capabilities directly into everyday office tools like Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Drive. But why does this matter so much? Let's dive in and explore the implications of this update that has sent shockwaves through the AI industry and even caught Microsoft off guard. To put things in perspective, Google's Workspace is no small player. With over 300 million active users worldwide, this AI-powered upgrade is about to revolutionize how people manage documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and file storage. And Google is not stopping there. This AI transformation extends beyond the basic tools and is now woven into the very fabric of Google's ecosystem. In fact, it's expected to affect an enormous global user base of around 3 billion people, ranging from businesses to individuals who use Google's suite of tools every single day. Gemini is Google's answer to the increasing demand for AI-driven productivity tools. Unlike previous attempts to integrate AI into Office software, Gemini isn't just a standalone feature, it's embedded directly into Google's existing software environment, seamlessly enhancing user experience without requiring separate platforms or applications. Whether you're drafting an email, building a spreadsheet, or creating a presentation, Gemini is always at your fingertips, ready to assist. At the core of this new functionality is Gemini Embedding 2, Google's latest AI model designed to unify text, images, video, audio, and documents within the same digital framework. This is a game changer, allowing AI systems to better understand, analyze, and generate content across different media types. Imagine needing to work with text from an email, an image, and a video, and having them all seamlessly linked in one AI-powered workspace. That's the kind of power Gemini offers, cross-platform compatibility that removes the barriers between different forms of content. Google's decision to integrate Gemini directly into Workspace applications could be seen as a direct challenge to Microsoft's Office suite, which has recently pushed its own AI-powered updates by incorporating Claude, another advanced AI model, into its offerings. Both tech giants are racing to transform their productivity suites into AI-native environments. But Google's approach stands out by embedding the AI deep within existing workflows, rather than introducing separate applications. By doing so, Google is making AI assistants more accessible and practical for everyday tasks. Let's take a closer look at how Gemini enhances Google Docs, one of the most popular tools in the Workspace suite. With the new update, users can type a simple command such as write a community newsletter using my HOA meeting minutes and the event list from January. And within moments, Gemini will generate a fully formatted draft. This isn't just a random assortment of text. The AI pulls real data from your connected Google Drive, Gmail, and the web to create relevant, context-aware content. But the real magic happens when you can refine the generated document using natural language instructions. Want to shorten a paragraph? Simply ask, "Need more details or a different structure?" Gemini can do that too. Perhaps one of the standout features of the Gemini-powered Docs is its ability to learn from your personal writing style. Most AI-generated writing sounds robotic or lacks the unique voice we bring to our own work. Gemini's Match Writing Style feature analyzes your previous documents and adjusts its writing to match your tone and style, making it feel more natural and less machine-like. But it doesn't stop at text generation. One of the most tedious tasks for users is filling out templates and organizing documents. Google Docs' new Match Doc format feature can scan your emails for travel information, like flight bookings or hotel reservations, and automatically populate your chosen template. No more copying and pasting data from different sources. Gemini does it for you. Now, moving on to Google Sheets, where many users struggle to structure data and use complex formulas. Gemini's latest update promises to make spreadsheets much more accessible by automatically designing entire spreadsheets based on your input. Imagine telling Gemini, "Organize my itinerary for moving to Chicago," and the AI will generate a packing list, contact information for utilities, and even track quotes from moving companies you've received in emails. This integration goes beyond just making spreadsheets. Gemini can even generate dashboards to help you track progress, all from real data stored in your Google ecosystem. The power of voice integration is another exciting aspect of this update. As AI becomes an integral part of our workflows, incorporating voice assistants directly into productivity tools is the logical next step. With voice assistants, users can not only generate content hands-free, but also interact with their work using natural speech. Whether it's drafting a document, entering data into a spreadsheet, or organizing a presentation, Gemini's voice capabilities will allow for a more intuitive, frictionless user experience. Google isn't just transforming its productivity tools for consumers, it's also making a significant impact on developers with the introduction of Gemini Embedding 2. Embedding models, which are essential for modern AI infrastructure, allow systems to compare different forms of content by converting them into mathematical vectors. Previously, different types of media required separate models for analysis, but Gemini's new model allows text, images, videos, and even PDFs to exist within the same vector space. This unified approach simplifies the process for developers, enabling them to create more efficient and versatile AI systems. One of the standout features of Gemini Embedding 2 is its efficiency. Traditional embedding models can be computationally expensive and difficult to manage, but with Gemini, the process is streamlined. Through a process called Matryoshka Representation Learning, MRL, the system prioritizes key semantic information in its vectors, making searches faster and more accurate. This reduces computational overhead without compromising the quality of the results, which is especially valuable when dealing with large amounts of data across different types of media. What makes this update even more compelling is the fact that Google has addressed something known as domain drift. Many AI systems struggle when applied to specialized fields, such as proprietary code bases or technical documentation. Gemini Embedding 2 has been trained across diverse data sets to ensure improved performance in more specialized tasks, offering developers a more reliable solution for their AI needs. Now that we've explored the powerful features within Gemini's updates, let's take a step back and think about the larger implications. Google's integration of AI into Workspace is more than just a minor update. It's a transformative shift in how we work. With AI handling mundane tasks, generating content, organizing information, and even interacting with users via voice, the potential to streamline workflows is enormous. The implications for productivity, efficiency, and collaboration are massive, and the impact will be felt across industries, from small businesses to large enterprises. But Google isn't alone in this race. Microsoft has already made moves to incorporate AI into its own Office tools, and other tech giants are sure to follow. However, the advantage Google has here is its existing user base and its ability to deeply embed AI into tools that millions of people already use daily. With AI becoming more integrated into everyday workflows, this update is poised to change the way we think about Office software forever. So, what does this mean for the future of work? As AI continues to evolve, the line between human and machine-made work will blur even further. Tasks that once took hours of manual labor will now be handled in seconds by intelligent systems. But this also raises questions about the future of employment and how we adapt to an increasingly automated world. What does it mean when AI can generate entire documents, design spreadsheets, and even create presentations on its own? Will the role of office workers change, or will we find new ways to leverage this technology to become more productive? As we move forward, one thing is certain. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's reshaping the tools we rely on every day. Whether you're a business owner, a creative professional, or someone just trying to get through the daily grind, Gemini is about to make your workflows smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever before. Want to experience the future of work today? Try out Google's AI-powered Workspace and see for yourself how Gemini can transform your productivity. Ready to step into the future? Start using Gemini now and see how AI can help you get more done in less time. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. How do you think AI will reshape the future of work? Let's talk about it.